Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set eye comfort shield to adaptive or custom settings on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on display. Now scroll down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. Tap on the left hand side panel. And on this screen here, you can choose between adaptive or custom. If you select adaptive, the phone will automatically adjust your screen's colors based on the time of day. You will see minor adjustments during the day and significantly warmer colors at nighttime. So that is for adaptive. If you select custom, then you can choose the color temperature that's right for you and set a schedule for when to apply it. So in here, you can choose set schedule between sunset to sunrise or a custom time or always on. And you can drag on the color temperature slider bar here to select a color level that you are comfortable with. You can also tap on Enhance Comfort button to turn on or off. This will adjust the color tones and contrast of the display for more comfortable viewing. And that's it. So that is how you can select adaptive or a custom settings for Eye Comfort Shield on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.